EA J100 Plot Edit Instructions and Precautions. First, open the J100 app. Click on Operation. Then click on the right-hand sidebar. Click on Plot to find the previously surveyed plot. And you can split, survey, merge, hand-drawn, navigate, or edit the plot. 1. Plot Split. First, click on Split. Mark the route segment you want to split along the terrain. Click Finish. Name the plot to complete the split. When dealing with complex power lines in the environment, split along the power lines can greatly ensure the operation safety. 2. Plot Re-editing. When adjustments are needed for the surveyed plot, click on Survey. And you can then re-edit the plot boundaries, obstacles, and no spray area. Click on the plot boundary points to fine-tune or delete them. Three. Plot Merge. If you need to merge two nearby plots into one, click on Merge. Select the other plot you want to merge. Click Start Merging, then save in the upper right corner. Enter the name for the merged plot. 4. Hand-drawn route. When the crops in the plot are particularly unique, you can use hand-drawn for operations. Click on Hand-drawn route, then New route. Enter the name of the route. The line formed by the points marked by the crosshair will be the flight route of the drone. Click the crosshair in the lower right corner to mark points. After completion, click Save. Five. Plot Editing. If the crop changes in the plot or if HD aerial surveying maps are added, click on the Edit button. And the interface will be the same as that of the new plot. You can modify the plot information according to the needs.